Howdy, thanks for joining me. I'm Wayne. We were at another garage sale. I like to go to garage sales. Picked up a Bluetooth speaker there. It's called JVL Flip 4. I was kind of impressed with it. It has the original box. Everything was in it. And I don't think they knew what it was worth. But anyhow, we got it at a good deal. So, open it up right here. Pull that little cord. Opens it up. So we'll get it out, we'll show you how it works. Alright, here we go. Pull that little cord right there and the box comes open. I like that box. Pretty nice. See the picture on it and all? Anyhow, pull this out, the little cover. The little cover has all your instruction manuals and your quick start and all that in it right here. If I can get it out of there. I can't get it out of there, can I? We'll push it out right there. There's your instruction manual. Right there's your manual. There's your quick start. Unfolds and comes in about 42 different languages. Google Music Play. There's your instruction manual. Also in about 42 different languages, but okay. Here's your charger cable. Hooks up to either a phone charger or a USB port, either one. Here is your speaker. Okay, let's get that out. See, it's already got the little cord on it there. Now this comes in various different colors. This one's black, comes in blue, red, gray. I'm not sure what all else it comes in, but now here is your on-off button right here. Just push it down like that. It'll come on. See, it's on right there. There's your Bluetooth. Now this is your charging port right here. Also has your small stereo plug-in. So I guess if you just wanted to play something that didn't have Bluetooth on it, you could play that too. Now here is your controls. Here is your start, stop, Bluetooth, up volume, down volume. Okay? Alright, we've got it turned on here. Let's go hook up our Bluetooth. So turn on Bluetooth on the phone here. Bluetooth on. Now right here on the side where you've got pause, up volume, down volume, Bluetooth, click that Bluetooth for a second or two. See it flashing right there? It comes up on the phone right there. It says connecting. There it is. Connected to audio. Alright. Connected. Let's go play a song now. I've got a Bluetooth player here. I'll open that up. Stay away from the copyright problems. I'm going to play a song that came on the phone for your ringtones and stuff called Over the Horizon. Hear it? Now we can turn it up here. Hear it? Sounds pretty good, doesn't it? Now there's a button right here that's pause. See how it pauses it? Hit it again, it'll start playing again. Here's your up volume, down volume, Bluetooth. So down volume. See how it goes down? Up. There it is. Got a very good sound to it. Tell you what we're going to do. We're going to stop that a minute. There's an app they tell you to download called JBL Connecting App. Yeah, I've got it on here somewhere. Just got to find it. There it is. Right there. See how it comes up here? Searching for product. There's your different products. See them? Okay. Now, this is set up as a stereo. If you have two of these, you can set it up so one of them is the right speaker, one of them is the left speaker. Unfortunately, I only have one of them, so I can't do that. But voice assistant. It has stereo and party. If you wanted on party, you could hook up as many as 100 of these things. Your Bluetooth will play them all as long as they're within range. And you can set them all over the different sides of the room and play them all. I like that idea. It sounds great, doesn't it? Okay. Once we're through with that, I think we'll go back and play a little more music here. Go back to my MP3 player right there. I think we're going to go back, just out of curiosity. I'll play something here real quick like. You can watch this thing bounce around here. That's all I'm going to play of that. That's a copyrighted song. I just wanted to show you it does work there. Okay? Well, there it is. Very good little speaker. It's a little bigger than the S3. I mean the Flip 3. Now, this thing is waterproof. I'm not going to drop it in any water to show you that, but it is. You could drop it in your swimming pool. The only problem is...
Something went wrong. Please try again.
Thank you. The only problem is it doesn't float. It's going to go to the bottom. So I hope you know how to swim if you drop it in your pool, because it's going to the bottom. All right. Well, there it is. You might want to get these. I think at Walmart this was $79.95. I picked this one up at a flea market. I'm not going to tell you how much, but it was cheap. All right. There it is, Flip 4. Hope you liked it. We'll see you next time.